I chose tech because I didn't want to leave home. I grew up here in Lubbock, and so I went to tech, and I was kind of in for a rude awakening. It was totally different than what I thought it was going to be. And so I went to South Plains, and then I went back to tech. My most memorable experience would be probably I got involved with a nonprofit organization, and I started a tutoring program for foster kids. Friendship prepared me in a lot of ways. Academically, I felt like I was definitely prepared for college and the workload that entails. I also participated in a lot of stuff in high school, and so whenever you do that, that prepares you well to take 12 or 16 or 18 hours and work and multitask and still get it all done. I have a lot of advice for students as they prepare. Number one, look at the money aspect. My family has a lot of kids, and with a lot of kids comes a lot of tuition bills. And so what they did is they set a set amount of money for each kid to go to college with. And so at first, that was one of the factors that played into me switching from tech to South Plains after my first semester, because I looked and I said, okay, my one semester at tech was a little over $5,000, and that was just for, 12 hours, I think, if I remember correctly. And that's including books and everything, but it wasn't including living expenses and all that entails. And I looked, the same exact workload at South Plains was about $3,000, so it saved me about $2,000. Difference from college to high school classes would be rigor. In college, you perform or you don't. At the end of the day, that's it. Sorry if you do, great. Sorry if you don't perform, great if you do. In high school, you still have someone there that holds your hand and that says, okay, sweetie, come on, we need to do this. And I would say to the person that hasn't decided, give it a try. I wouldn't say jump in and take a full load of classes, because you're going to stress yourself out and you're going to waste your money or your parents' money. But give it a try. Take a couple of classes. Take a class in the summer, or, just dip your toes in and see if you like it. College is extremely important for a lot of reasons. Academically, obviously, it makes you a well-rounded person. It makes you more knowledgeable about the world that we live in. But this is a competitive world that we live in now, and a lot of people are educated. So it's gonna be a lot harder for people to succeed with just a high school education, because everyone has that. We need to have more.